Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we are going to talk about another very important scenario where most of the students get confused while filling the color in different shapes as per the requirement. Okay, so let's say you want to draw one rectangle on a canvas, and inside that rectangle we want to draw another circle, right? Now what I wanted to do, I want to set the fill color of rectangle as blue and fill color of circle as red. So can we do this? Or if not, then what might be the issues that we might face, right? So these all things we are going to discuss. In other way, you can say that we are again going to see the use case of beginPath. In previous session, I explained you why it is important to use beginPath. So this is kind of another use case, you can say, through which we can set the properties or the fill color of different shape as per the need. Okay, so this is the agenda of this session. Now before we start the discussion, I would like to recommend you to please go and check out the previously released sessions first, because they all are in proper sequence and sync. So if you follow them sequentially, then it would be very easy for you to understand the ongoing topic. Now to proceed further, what do we need? We need firstly, like you can see here, I have already created the canvas. Let me remove the canvas so that I can create it from scratch for you. Okay, so here if you look at the code, we have just normal title in the head section. There is one heading which is HTML by Sharmit, and another heading which is process to fill color based on shape, or you can say use case of beginPath method. Now you can save this and refresh your browser. So once you refresh your browser, you will see there is both the headings are coming as per the desired thing, right? Okay, now what we wanted to do, we wanted to draw shape inside shape. But for drawing any shape, what we firstly need is the canvas. So how to draw the canvas? So to add the canvas, you can simply write here canvas. Then we will set the ID. Here in ID we will write canvas 1. Then we will set the width. In width we will put 600 pixels. Then we will set the height. Height would be 300 pixels. And then you can save it and refresh your browser. So after a refresh, you will see that this text is coming, but the canvas is not displayed. Why? Because we have not set the style yet. So let's add the border to the canvas so that at least we can see the working area. Then we can set the color and solid black. So this is the canvas which we are going to use for drawing the shapes. Clear? Make it very clear. This is just a canvas, or you can compare it with your sketchbook where we are going to draw something, right? It is not the actual what we can say, it is not actual the rectangle that we have drawn. Okay, this is just a canvas on which we are going to draw the rectangle and a circle. Clear? After adding this canvas, what we will do, we will add another thing which is script. So it's time to write a script, because with the help of script only we will draw the things. Okay, all right. So in script, firstly we want to connect the script with the canvas. So to do that, what we will do, we will write this thing where C. Okay, where is mainly used to define the variable. C is the variable name, and here we will write document dot get element by ID. And here we will pass the ID which is canvas 1. Remember one thing, JavaScript is completely case sensitive. So if you are writing something with capital G, it means it should be capital G. If you are writing something in a small g like we are doing here, so it should be only in a small case. Okay, you can't change the case of get element by ID. So this thing should be written in the only using the mixed case like this only. G should be small, E should be small, T should be small, capital E, and then other letters as per the format. Clear? So with this line, what we did, we just connected the canvas with variable C. Now what we will do, we will define the CTX. What CTX will do, it will allow us to enable all those methods that we are going to use with canvas. Okay, so here I will write c dot and where ctx c dot, and then we will write here what we will simply write thing which is get context. So what this get context will do, it will allow us to enable to use the 2D or two-dimensional shapes. Okay, so let me add 2D. Okay, now you can save this and refresh it. So once you refresh this, you will see it is connected, and at the moment output there is nothing to show in output, right? We just connected the script with a canvas. Now it's time to draw the things. So to draw something, we will use beginPath first, because in last session we discussed why it is important. So here I will write ctx dot beginPath. Clear? After that we will draw the rectangle first. Okay, so I'll apply ctx dot fill style. Okay, then what we will do, we will set the fill style as red. Okay, then we will set ctx dot rect. Here we will mention what the rectangle parameters, which is 50, 50, 50, 50, 300, 200. Okay, now if we write here ctx dot fill and save it, will it show something? You can see it is showing something, right? ctx dot fill we applied and it is directly showing the rectangle, which is fine. Okay, but right now if I add another shape which is a circle, so let me show you that. So we will write here ctx dot arc. Here we will mention the circle attributes like 200, 150, 75, 0, math dot pi into 2. Okay, now you can save it, and now if I change the fill color, or you can see the color here, ctx dot fill style equal red. Red is already there, so we will want to make it as blue, and then we will write here ctx dot fill. Clear? Now save it and refresh it. So after you refresh, you will see that both shape changed to the fill color for both shape has been changed to blue. But this was not we were expecting, right? We wanted to make the background color of rectangle as red and circle as blue. Then how to fix this? So to fix this issue, what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to use beginPath. So after defining one image or one shape, you can write here ctx dot beginPath. So what this line will do, it will tell the browser, or you can say the web, it will tell the browser that we are going to create a new shape after line number 39. Okay, so firstly it will create this shape and then it will create this shape. Let me show you output now. So now you can see the rectangle is coming with a red fill color and the circle is coming with a blue fill color. Okay, so this is how we are supposed to draw both the things. Now here one more thing I want to show you. Instead of fill, if you directly use fill rect here, in this case it will not ask you for the, if I remove like these two lines, you will see still it is showing the correct output. Why? Because here we are using fill rect. So if you are using fill rect, then there is no need to put it. But what I would recommend you, always make sure that you are using the beginPath, because with the help of beginPath only you will be able to tell the browser that we are going to create a new shape. Okay, so that's my recommendation. Always use beginPath. This is a good practice. If you are using beginPath continuously, means as per the need, then it would be helpful for you. Otherwise it might cause some unexpected errors or an unexpected behavior in the shapes. Clear? So I hope this entire process is clear, like how we can create a shape inside shape, or you can say the nested shape, where we have separate type of different fill color. Okay, So yeah, that's all for today. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.